everyone, it's Alex Brzezowski here from Be Organizing. I just want to share with you a couple photo organizing tips for your digital photos today. First thing, gather all your digital photos into one place and then copy them all into one folder location. So that could be somewhere like a folder in the cloud or whatnot, like in one Google Drive folder, in one Amazon Drive, or even just on your computer in an external drive. Whatever works best for you, that's great. Just keep them all in one place. The other thing that I want to leave you with today is also label properly. Your digital photos, you want to be able to easily access them later. So what you're going to want to do is label them. If you're thinking chronologically, do year, month, and then day, and then the title of the folder of the photos that are in them. You never want to start with the name necessarily first and then end with the date, or put the month first and then the year. Start with the year. Don't forget that. It's so important. So that's all I've got for today. Good luck on your digital photo journey. We're here to help.